So a simple JAMstack architecture is shown here. So JAMstack is basically means a certain architecture to follow to make your JavaScript based application. Here we are looking for a CMS based website. The website code will be first hosted on GitHub, which is a DevOps part of this JAMstack. And basically it will help to host your code. It will be directly integrated with Netlify CMS, and also with Netlify CDN for static site hosting. So code will be built on GitHub using GitHub Action, and so GitHub is a primary part of this stack. And you can use Gatsby for building this front end part of the application. Whereas there are hundreds of external services that you can access, that you can use their APIs and make use of those APIs, or make use of those their database to host features on your application, which will be given by Gatsby, and Gatsby will help you to integrate that very easily. We are using GraphQL here to query data from GitHub. Also, we are using Gatsby to integrate APIs with third-party channels. So GraphQL plays a vital role here in this architecture. Netlify CMS gives you basically a GUI based for real-time editing and previewing your content. So as a developer, you will be making data changes on Netlify CMS. If you are, for example, hosting a blog platform, then you will be adding blog editing, and you will be deleting blog using Netlify CMS. You will just hosting your code to the GitHub as a developer. So once a GitHub is built and once a main branch is merged, then it will automatically deploy your code to Netlify CMS or Netlify CDN, and Netlify will also provide you HTTPS based website. It has its own CDN, and definitely it's a static site hosting service. With As I have already told you, there are hundreds of external services that you can use, and here as a simple CMS based website, you can use a Google Analytics service. You can also use Discuss for comment hosting, and as a client you will be directly accessing with the static site that is hosted on Netlify. And all the cost to develop this kind of website is none. It's a free website. You do not have to pay anything for, besides it's just for hosting and for your code maintenance. It might be a different charge, but these services are already free, and you can already make this thing happen. Yeah, so I think you got the point. So this is a simple JAMstack, and let me know about your queries in the days to come.